have a French tiny little fuzzy roller. It's like a microfiber. And the key ingredient is going to be my lacquer brush. Spritz a little bit of water here, just a mist, enough to moisturize the undercoat so the paint doesn't immediately freeze. So as you can see, I'm rolling fat, as we call it. We say fat because we want a good amount. So I'm dipping the roller often. And adding a good amount. It's very important with this material to be fat. It levels beautifully, but if it's too slim, it doesn't have anywhere to move. So it actually works best if it's rolled on the fat side. With this brush, I'm gonna pull the material left and right kind of fast like this. I really want to stretch it. Again, fast like this. All right, so now I get an even coat everywhere. And now comes the tipping part. So now I'm going to do a lighter pull. And every time, see there's blue, there's no blue here, I flip it. So there's less pressure here. I'm moving the paint using just the tip of the brush, and every time flipping the brush to expose the other side. Otherwise, what you end up having is like you have a buildup of paint here and it's had accumulating. And the final part is to tip it almost perpendicular like this, little 50% overlap, and every time I flip it. No pressure. On this particular movement here, I let almost the weight of the brush do the work. Barely any pressure. Here we go. And always flipping the brush. And have a little overlap. The other sides like this. Now what I want to make sure is that there's no buildup on each corner. So I'm just going to wipe it off like this. Same thing for this side. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it one more time across here just to get rid of that little lip. So I'm just going to work this a little bit more here. And one more time, barely touching up. Have a clean, nice edge. You can see already really a lot of shine. This paint is amazing. And as it dries, it's going to stretch. That is why you need to be fat, because if you're too thin, there's not enough body so the paint can't stretch. So even though it could be, you could see a little bit of brush marks, guarantee when it starts pulling and drying, it's going to stretch a lot. And you're going to get rid of about 80% of those lines. So it'll be almost done.